Okay, so we've jumped on online and gonna show you like what competition does to humans when you put them together to compete. Let's go. Yeah, so as you can see, basically we're all together right now. So the biggest factor is time. So time really shows what happens. But if you're looking, you see what's happening already. There's a divide happening between people already, and I'll explain why that happens. Okay, so enough time has elapsed, so let me explain what has happened right here. So, because of the basis of competition, like what happens in society from the get-go, from the time we go to school, we've been taught to compete. You have to come out number 1, 2, 3 in class. So you're always trying to compete with the next person. But when that happens, humans now divide each other. There becomes like this great divide. So if we look on the map, you'll see there's probably 3 or 5 groups of people. Basically, we can classify them as classes of society, right? So you notice like the poor are way at the back. Those that don't even know what's going on at all are really struggling. They're way far behind. And then what else? And you'll notice there will be a big group in the middle. That's like the middle class. Then there'll be another upper group, like the upper middle class, right? And there'll be the elite at the top. And you see the elite are working together with each other. We're all staying like together in a straight line, and we are helping each other get faster and get closer to the goal. Whoa. And that's how society works. So when you put competition together with people, it separates them. So there's going to be different classes of people. Some are going to stay behind, lagging behind. Then there'll be the other group that are going to be, they're always just going to be stuck together, and it will be hard to come out of that group because you're not working with each other. And because they're fighting with each other, they don't want to work with each other, they can never catch up and reach the next group. So as time expands, people just keep separating from each other until the divide is way too much. So that's another reason right now why we have poverty. Capitalism promotes competition. It doesn't promote unity. It really just promotes competition within ourselves. Only a few people are going to work together, and in the end, we're all going to be separated.